Do you work in the manufacturing industry, the mining sector, the oil and gas industry, or the petrochemical field? Or perhaps you're a certified professional dealing with hazardous areas, responsible for ensuring safety and compliance. Then this video is for you. Welcome to our guide on IECEx CoPC certification of personnel competence, a critical benchmark for ensuring safety in hazardous environments across Sabah and Sarawak. The IECEx certification of personnel competence, or CoPC, is globally recognized. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel and turn on notifications to receive our latest updates. Stay tuned for an exclusive sneak peek inside the IECEx course, your key to mastering hazardous area safety. The importance of IECEx CoPC certification cannot be overstated. In environments where even a small error can lead to catastrophic consequences, ensuring that personnel are competent is a vital part of maintaining safety. This certification helps reduce the risks associated with explosive atmospheres by verifying that individuals have the expertise needed to perform their jobs safely, whether they are working in oil and gas, petrochemicals, or mining industries. IECEx stands for the certification by the International Electrotechnical Commission for Explosive Atmospheres. Ultech Engineering promotes IECEx CoPC courses offered by Capeserve Energy in Sabah and Sarawak. These courses cover a range of topics, with 8 key units included. The IECEx CoPC X001 course covers basic protection principles in explosive atmospheres, based on the IECEx 079 series. The X00 unit covers key principles of explosive atmospheres, protection methods, classification techniques, and essential skills for hazardous area classification. X003 of competency focuses on the explosion protection aspects related to the installation of explosion-protected equipment and associated wiring systems. X004 covers explosion protection in maintaining explosion-protected equipment and wiring systems, including developing maintenance programs, inspections, repairs, overhauls, and recording outcomes. Unity X006 covers explosion protection in testing explosion-protected equipment and wiring systems. X007 covers evaluating hazardous area verification dossiers and ensuring compliance of explosion-protected electrical installations. It includes working safely, assessing dossiers, identifying certified equipment, inspecting installations, and reporting results. X008 focuses on explosion protection in conducting initial, periodic, and audit inspections of explosion-protected equipment and installations. The IECEx CoPC X009 course covers explosion protection in designing electrical power, control, and instrumentation systems. The IECEx CoPC certification exam assesses individual proficiency in handling explosive atmospheres, focusing on safety, codes, and standards. Successful candidates earn certification, demonstrating their competence in managing explosive risks. Each unit within the IECEx CoPC scheme follows a standardized examination process. The benefits of IECEx CoPC certification are manifold: global recognition, enhanced safety, regulatory compliance, career advancement, and increased employer confidence. In Sabah and Sarawak, IECEx CoPC certification is particularly significant in industries like oil and gas, petrochemicals, manufacturing, and mining, where safety and compliance are paramount. The oil and gas sector in Sabah and Sarawak is a powerhouse for the region's economy, but it operates in environments where explosive gases and volatile substances are constant threats. IECEx CoPC certification ensures that every worker, from drilling to refining, is trained to recognize and mitigate these dangers. This certification is essential for preventing catastrophic incidents and protecting lives. Petrochemical also operate in hazardous conditions. The handling of flammable chemicals requires strict adherence to safety protocols. IECEx CoPC certification equips workers with the skills and knowledge to manage these risks effectively, reducing accidents and ensuring compliance with international safety standards. In the manufacturing sector, especially where combustible dust is present, the risk of explosion is real and significant. IECEx CoPC certification provides a comprehensive framework for evaluating and ensuring that equipment and processes meet stringent safety standards. This not only protects the facility and its personnel, but also enhances overall operational efficiency. The mining industry often involves operations in remote and hazardous environments, making IECEx certification crucial for managing explosive risks. Achieving IECEx CoPC certification is a structured and attainable goal. The process begins with selecting the appropriate course based on your professional role and experience. Once enrolled, you'll participate in both theoretical and practical training sessions. These courses are followed by assessments that test your knowledge and skills in real-world scenarios. Ultech Engineering, in collaboration with Capeserve Energy, is dedicated to raising safety standards across Sabah and Sarawak. By investing in IECEx CoPC certification, you are committing to a higher standard of safety and operational excellence. Join the ranks of certified professionals who are making a difference in hazardous environments. Let's take a look inside the X001 course, where Capeserve Energy experts guide you through essential safety practices for hazardous areas. Begin with the essentials: what makes an area hazardous and why understanding these risks is crucial. Learn the fundamental principles that safeguard you and your operations from potential hazards. Dive into hazardous area classification, including minimum ignition energy, maximum experimental safe gap, and temperature classification. Explore various protection methods from exclusion to explosion containment. We cover all the essential techniques. Learn about specific protection techniques and their applications, like EXT flameproof enclosures and EXI intrinsic safety. EX markings are your roadmap to safe operations. Understand how hazardous zones are categorized: Zone 0 for the highest risk, down to Zone 2. Learn about gas groups, from IA to the more dangerous IIC. Finally, grasp ingress protection ratings, indicating the level of protection against dust and water. Decoding these markings is key to ensuring compliance and safety in hazardous environments. Discover the best practices for staying safe on the job, from PPE use to hazard assessment. Learn about the roles of key players, from operators to certifying bodies, in upholding safety standards. Uncover the global certification schemes that ensure your equipment and personnel meet rigorous safety standards. Safety begins with thorough inspections. Start with visual checks for obvious issues, followed by close inspections of key components. For more critical areas, perform detailed inspections, ensuring your equipment meets safety standards. Effective reporting and maintaining an inspection dossier are essential for keeping your operations safe and compliant. That's the sneak peek inside the X001 course. Ready to take the next step? Join us at Ultech Engineering and elevate your safety expertise. Found this content helpful? Give it a thumbs up and share it with others who could benefit from it too. Don't miss out. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content and insights.
Ultech Engineering.